This man nearly gives his overprotective dogs a heart attack when he heaves himself off a rope swing into the river. When this toddler attempts to catch a better view of the city, his cat springs into action and says, "No way." This baby elephant turned part-time lifeguard powers across a raging river to rescue a man that's in desperate need of help. Unbeknownst to his zookeeper, a leopard charges him from behind, but lucky for him, a tiger comes to his rescue.
¿Quieren pasar a saludar, niñas? Sí. Pone muy rico el ambiente aquí. ¡Hey! 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 ¡Sin garras!
This woman owes this whale a big thanks after it protected her from a lethal tiger shark attack.
Hiding me. He came right for me. He didn't stop. He kept pushing.
Man,
Yeah,
the way
it's pretty bad.
I got to the back of the boat, and I was laughing.
When a strange man wanders into this woman's home, her 120-pound Great Dane goes in for the kill. An incredible display of guard dog training. This dog will do whatever it takes to protect its family. This doggy latches onto the neck of a vicious goose that's attempting to attack its owner. This cold-blooded assassin of a guard dog comes out of nowhere to save a young boy from being kidnapped. Onlookers gasp in fear when a gorilla decides to comfort an injured boy instead of viciously attacking him.
The crowd watched helplessly. Never before had such an accident occurred, and never before had this full-grown male gorilla encountered a human within his domain. Only the worst could be imagined.
This dog won't go to sleep until he knows that all his family members are tucked in safe and sound. This fluffy hero flags down a car to help his owner that's having a seizure in the street.
Billy says she is forever thankful.
Of course, you've heard of a guard dog, but have you ever heard of a guard horse? In a crazy display of leadership, this German Shepherd led the fire department to the fire they couldn't find.
Find the fire which was threatening the Heinrich home recognized that something was unusual when he saw Buddy. He did the dog's action, and acting on a hunch, he followed Buddy to the house that was being threatened by the fire. Thus,
A woman, a horse, and 2 curious dogs team up to find a 2-year-old that was lost in the woods.
Up to the Hardy Creek trailhead, I just kind of followed instinct and really felt where would this person be, and they were crying. So I said to Wilson, go get her, show me the way, and he did. Wilson's the red one. These are miniature Australian shepherds.
If it weren't for this heroic cat coming to the rescue, this young... Thank goodness for this cat, or else this toddler may have tumbled down a massive flight of stairs. Unless you want to get barked at, you better stop for this canine crossing guard that's on patrol. When this kid tried to pretend he was having difficulty swimming, the kid's dog immediately jumped in to the rescue.
He's trying to save you! He's saving you!